Community Health Maps is essentially a workflow that uses existing low-cost and open-source tools. It involves three components: collecting community data using smartphones and tablets, using the data to create and share interactive maps on the internet, bringing the data onto a computer for analysis, or making maps using Geographic Information System (GIS) software. We'll start with collecting community data using smartphones and tablets. Mobile devices are intuitive. Most people are comfortable with them, and they're becoming more common. Historically, expensive Global Positioning System, or GPS devices, were required for this type of initiative. But these devices are very expensive and not very intuitive. Today, smartphones and tablets can be used to do a lot of the data collection we might have done with standalone GPS devices in the past. Smartphones and tablets use a hybrid positioning technology that involves GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular positioning. The AGPS chips in smartphones are generally accurate to within 5 to 8 meters. When connected to a Wi-Fi network, the device can also use the wireless signal to locate accurately within about 74 meters. Mobile devices also position you by triangulating off cell phone towers to a position within about 600 meters. They attempt to use all three methods together to give you the best possible location accuracy at your position. Still, accuracy can be an issue in some circumstances. In these cases, using a third-party Bluetooth-enabled GPS receiver is an option for increasing positional accuracy if needed. Examples include the Bad Elf and Dual 105S. NLM does not endorse any particular product, service, or developer. For field data collection, we will demonstrate a tool called Fulcrum, which is a user-friendly application that allows you to create a custom questionnaire or data collection form. Other similar tools are available, and NLM does not endorse any particular product, service, or developer. Here we are building a data collection form. Generally, you'll use the Fulcrum web application on a desktop or laptop computer to build the data collection form, much like in this example. Then, you can use the Fulcrum app on your Android or iOS device to go into the field and actually collect the data, which can even include photos, video, and audio. The Community Health Maps approach focuses on using free and low-cost tools. In fact, Fulcrum is the most expensive component we will demonstrate, but it is less than $20 a month as of the time this training was created. A 30-day free trial period is available. This would be a good time to begin thinking about how mapping could tie into your program or research. Once the data is collected, the next component is Internet mapping. In today's connected world, it is often desirable to put a final map onto a web page as an interactive map that your users can manipulate as needed. Think of this much like a Google map, allowing the user to zoom in and out and turn data layers on and off. This is intended as a final dissemination component. For Community Health Maps, we identified an intuitive solution that does not require any programming to create interactive maps. For the purpose of this course, we will demonstrate using Mapbox, a cloud-based web application that offers a free account to get started and a modest pricing scheme. The cost depends on the web traffic your site receives. Other similar tools are available, and the NLM does not endorse any particular product, service, or developer. With Mapbox, you can upload your data into your account, style the data as needed, and share live interactive maps. Remember the map of diabetes rates in Baltimore City that we highlighted in the introduction? We created that map using an online mapping tool. The map allows users to zoom and pan, turn layers off and on, and click on features to open pop-ups. You can configure all of these capabilities using Mapbox with minimal programming skills needed. The final part of the Community Health Maps workflow is to bring your data onto a desktop or laptop and do some type of analysis or make a map. You may decide to combine the data collected in your community with other extant health statistics, or other databases your organization may already have. For this component, we will demonstrate the free open source software called QGIS, which allows you to manipulate spatial data, perform an analysis, and create maps. QGIS is quite powerful, yet intuitive, with all the capabilities you need in a standard desktop GIS. Other GIS applications are also available, and NLM does not endorse any particular product, service, or developer.